distance and displacement. So what is distance? Distance is basically therefore the length of the path traveled by the body. So starting point A, end point B, A to B, any length of the path is called the distance. It is a scalar quantity, and displacement is the shortest possible path from A to B. It is a vector quantity. Rate of change of distance is called speed. So it is also a scalar quantity, and rate of change of displacement is called a velocity, and it is also a vector quantity. Now there are four different types of velocity, that is uniform, non-uniform, average and instantaneous. Okay. So now what is uniform velocity? Let us understand. What is uniform velocity? Uniform velocity means it means if a body, suppose starting from A, if it moves A to B, suppose 10 meter in 2 seconds, then B to C again 10 meter in 2 seconds, then C to D again 10 meter in 2 seconds. So therefore, if a body goes like this, that means every time it moves equal displacement in equal time, then the velocity of the body is said to be uniform velocity. Okay, equal displacement cover in equal interval of time. That is called uniform velocity, and if it is not, then that is called non-uniform. So therefore, non-uniform means suppose A to B, the body moves 20 meter in 2 seconds, then B to C suppose 10 meter in 4 seconds, then C to D 40 meter in 3 seconds, like that. So if a body moves unequal displacement in unequal time successively, then the velocity of the body is called non-uniform velocity. Okay, clear? Any doubt? বুঝতে পারছিস? Hello, is it okay? Okay, so now okay, fine. So now a non-uniform velocity non-uniform velocity টাকে uniform velocity হচ্ছে equal displacement equal time, non-uniform হচ্ছে unequal displacement unequal time. এই non-uniform velocity টাকেই আমরা যদি একটা সিঙ্গেল ভ্যালু আনতে চাই, that is called the average velocity, V average. So V average মানে কি? It is basically the total displacement. V average মানে হচ্ছে total displacement by total time. Total displacement by total time. That is called actually the average velocity. Okay. So it's like ধর এখানে total displacement কত? 20 plus 10 plus 40 মানে 70, আর এখানে টাইম হচ্ছে 4 3 7 8 9 মানে 9. So 70 by 9 meter per second. Okay, whatever may be the value. So that is the average velocity. So average velocity মানে হচ্ছে the total displacement covered by the body divided by the total interval of time. So now next one is the instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity means the velocity of a body at any instant of time. The velocity of a body at any instant of time, it is called instantaneous velocity. Okay, that means velocity at a moment, you can say. Okay, velocity of a body at any moment is called the instantaneous velocity. So এই চারটে হচ্ছে, these are the basic 4 types of velocity. ঠিক আছে? Uniform, non-uniform, average আর instantaneous. Okay.